right, so next up, what we're going to do is a glute bridge. And so we're going to directly train the hips, the glutes, in a way that we can allow it to strengthen and to work in conjunction with movement. So it'll be hip flexion and extension, which is one of the biggest primary movers that we use numerous times of the days. Like when you're talking about anything that involves this, it's one of the biggest movers. So we need to make sure that that's done efficiently. So again, the glutes are important to strengthen as it's related to everyday movement. Okay. So what we're gonna do here for your setup is I'm gonna have you laying face up on the ground. Actually, you want to bring your knees all the way. You want to bring your heels all the way back that you can touch it with your hands. Okay. So second, it's important to remember that when you're here, you have what's called like a little curve in your lower back. That's just a normal curve. You want to shut that down. So you want to breathe into the ground and flatten that out. It's imperative that we do that because let's say you just went like this. You're actually just compressing your lumbar spine. Why? Because the lumbar spine is used to doing the work that the glutes are going to do. So if you go and try to do a glute exercise, the lumbar spine is going to we need to disengage it. So in order to do that, you need to flatten out your back, breathe into the ground, and engage your stomach, flex your stomach. Okay? So how you engage your core is by pulling in and up into your navel. You flex. It's really, really hard. Okay, take the navel, bring it in, bring it up. I have no gaps in the small of my back. I breathe in. I've smashed it. Okay, so, and we're going to practice that after. So from there, I've neutralized my spine. The muscles around the spine are engaged. Now what I can do is, I can then, through my heels, come up, squeeze my glutes, and come back down. Make sure I'm flat, come back up, and squeeze. But you must know that when we come up, we could rib flare, which is another hyper extension of the lower back. So we want to just stay neutral. Okay, so you want a straight line, glute bridge, flexion, and extension. Tilt the pelvis, squeeze the glutes. Come back down, come up. So working on flexion and extension.